Hi, this is Dr. Doris on NLP Coaching, Life Coach Certification. What is the value of coaching? Coaching helps us to bring out the solutions in the other person. The kind of way that we learn to ask questions is paying high respect to the other, validation, and inclusion. When you include the other and bring forth their own solutions, then change can happen so much more powerfully. Really, coaching is there to facilitate change measurably, faster, more powerful, and with lasting results. Thank you.